This unit works on either 110V 15A or 240V 20A service. Installation of the 240V outlet was easy in my situation. I was surprised that the charger negotiated a 16A charge rate when plugged into 110V, but it was a noticeably faster charge than the 110V only charger provided with my BMW that only provided 10A during charging. And the 110V receptacle didn't get even a little warm. 240V charging is much faster and always used when at home. During the Thanksgiving holiday we carried this charger with us and plugged it into a family's outdoor 110V outlet with the exact same results, 16A charging and a cool socket. The true 28 feet charging cable made it easy to reach a nearby 110V outlet throughout our trip. I have other Schumacher automotive power supplies and all have provided years of dependable service. It's early, but I think this is a winner. No complaints concerning this device. This is a nice little charger, giving me a boost in charge time so that I can enjoy my Zero motorcycle more. Excellent charger. This Schumacher EV charger charges at a true 16 amps, or just over 800 watts per hour. Charges a Chevy Volt from zero charge to full in 4.5 hours. This adds approx 1,000 extra watts per hour than the stock 12 amp, 120/240V, charger for the Volt. The longer cord and included standard outlet adapter are a huge plus. Also, I appreciate the fact that this is made in Mexico, not in China. If you want made in the USA, Clipper Creek is your best brand, and also an excellent charger. I wasted money on other Chinese knockoffs and they all maxed out at 12 amps. This works with 120 or 240 volts. What's great is that at 16 amps, one can get away with a 12 halves Romex wire on a double pole breaker. I use this on my other EV for slow charging, since that is supposedly better for the battery. To figure out how long this charger will take to charge your EV, divide your EV's usable battery kW by this charger's kW. Chevy Bolt 60 kW/3. 8 kW equals 15. 8 hours. Super satisfied. This is the lowest amperage 240 volts charger you can find, so it's not as fast as some others, but it works fine with both of our pluggable hybrids. It's made in China, but I like that it's a brand that has some US presence. I am using this to charge a 2021 RAV4 Prime from a 240 volt outlet. The outlet is on an external wall at the top of my driveway. I have been using this for about 2 weeks, so far it is working just as it should. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge the battery. RAV4 Prime is a plug-in hybrid. A full charge is good for 40 plus miles, down from 12 hours for the 120V charger the car came with. The extra length is what sold me, as the charging port on the car is on the rear passenger side, and it needed to extend from the outside of the house and over a small landscaped area.